Hey, you're a little late today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I'm okay. Sorry.
You look a bit upset. What happened?
This morning, I went to the coffee shop on the corner.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Not really. I tried to order coffee in English,
That's good practice.
but the man talked so fast, I couldn't understand him.
Yes, people speak very quickly here in Chicago.
I tried to speak slowly, but the people in line laughed at me.
Oh, Leo, I'm really sorry. That must feel terrible.
Now I feel shy. Maybe my English isn't good.
Your English is good. You're learning.
But I make many mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. It's normal.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together. We'll use simple sentences.
Okay.
Tell me about your morning. What do you do first?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. What comes next?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread. I drink milk.
Excellent. See? Your English is great.
Yes, simple English feels easy.
Let's try one more. What about your sister? What does she do?
She go to school.
Very close. Remember, for he and she, we add s.
Oh, right. She goes to school.
Yes, I go, she goes. You got it.
Step by step.
Exactly. Don't think about the people at the coffee shop. Just keep practicing.
Thank you, Emma. I feel better now. I will practice every day.
Hi, Jason. You're very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hey, Emily. Yeah, I'm okay. Just a bit tired.
Are you sure? You look a little down. We're on break. You can talk to me.
Well, a customer asked me something this morning.
And what happened?
I tried to answer in English, but I made a mistake.
What kind of mistake?
He asked about our boss, Mr. Kim. I said, he live in Los Angeles. The customer corrected me. He lives.
Oh, I see.
I felt so embarrassed. I always forget the S.
Jason, you are not stupid. That's a really common mistake.
Still, now I feel nervous when I talk.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need practice. Let's practice right now.
Okay.
The simple present is for routines. I work here. You work here.
Right. I work, you work.
Exactly. But for he or she, we add S. So, Mr. Kim,
He works here.
perfect. And what about your coworker, Chloe?
She works here too.
Great. Let's try another one. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. too.
And Mr. Kim?
He eats lunch at 1 p.m.
Exactly.
It's easier when you speak slowly.
That's the trick. Take your time. You don't have to rush.
Thanks, Emily. I feel better now.
Good. Practice makes perfect. Let's get back to work. Hi. Is this seat free?
Yes. Go ahead.
I'm Chloe. I live nearby. I noticed you're reading an English book.
Yeah.
I'm Daniel. I study English every day.
That's great.
It's hard, though. I study, but I still can't speak well.
Why not? You're speaking to me now.
Only because you're being nice. Yesterday, I went to a store in Brooklyn. The woman spoke so fast. I didn't understand anything. I wanted to ask a question, but my mind went completely blank.
That's totally normal. Don't give up.
I make so many mistakes. People get annoyed.
They're not annoyed, just busy. New Yorkers talk fast. The secret is to speak slowly.
Slowly?
Yes. Let's practice. Look around the park. Tell me what you see. Simple sentences.
I see trees.
Good. I see trees. What else?
A man, he walk his dog.
Almost. For he, we add S.
Oh, he walks his dog.
Perfect. And the children?
They play.
Yes. See? You're speaking English.
I play, he plays, they play.
Exactly. Slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady. I'll remember that.
You're doing great. Keep practicing.
Thanks, Chloe. I feel better. I'll try again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Excuse me, are you waiting for the number 12 bus?
Oh, yes, I think so.
You don't sound very sure. I'm Liam, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Liam. I'm Maya. The sign here is a little confusing.
Nice to meet you, Liam. I'm Maya. The sign here is a little confusing.
I get it. The bus schedule in Seattle can be pretty tricky.
I want to go to the university.
Then you're in the right place. This is the correct bus stop. The bus should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. I always feel nervous asking for help.
Thank you. I always feel nervous asking for help.
Why's that?
My English isn't very good. Yesterday, I tried to ask someone a question.
And?
My mind just went blank. I couldn't find the words. The man looked at me strangely. I felt so embarrassed.
I'm sorry. He was probably just in a hurry. And honestly, your English sounds totally clear to me.
Really? I still make mistakes, especially with go and goes.
Ah, the famous S mistake. Lots of learners struggle with that.
I always say, my friend, go, but my teacher says it should be goes.
Your teacher is right. Look, I go, you go, we go, they go.
Okay.
But he goes, she goes.
So I should say, my friend, he goes?
Exactly. See, you're doing great.
I go, he goes. Okay. This isn't rocket science.
Right. It just means it's not too hard.
I like that expression.
No problem. Hey, look, our bus is here. Excuse me, you look a little lost. Are you looking for something?
Oh, thank you. Yes, I look for Riz.
Riz. I'm sorry, I don't understand. What is Riz?
Riz? I'm sorry, I don't understand. What is Riz?
Oh, rice. Now I understand.
See? My English is bad. I say it wrong.
Not at all. Your English is good. That sound is just difficult.
I feel nervous to ask for help. I get shy.
Don't worry. It's okay to ask. I'm happy to help.
Thank you.
The rice is in aisle 5. I'm heading that way. We can walk together.
That's very kind. My name is Paulo. I am new here.
I'm Jen. I live here in Chicago. Welcome to the city.
Thank you. I like Chicago, but speaking English is hard.
I understand. You just need practice. For example, you can say, "Where is the rice?"
Where is the rice?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Where can I find the rice?"
Where can I find the rice?
Yes. See? Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. I like that.
It means very easy.
Thank you, Jen.
No problem. Here we are, aisle 5.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, Paolo. Have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.